Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, instead many reasons what I like about Visual Studio Code. And I've been using Visual Studio Code from past 2.5 months. The last reason that I'll actually tell you, it's pretty much amazing. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. And yes, this is just a small video guys. So let's go ahead. So as I said guys, I have been using Visual Studio Code from past 2.5 months. Before that I used to use a lot of PyCharm, but I think I'm in love with Visual Studio Code as I am already a .NET developer. Yeah, I was a .NET developer initially and then made a successful career towards transition towards data science. So what are some of the things that I love about Visual Studio Code? The first is that the interface is pretty much amazing. Handling the environments, yes, when I consider and compare PyCharm and Visual Studio with respect to handling the environments, I feel PyCharm is pretty much easier, but I also like that same thing in Visual Studio Code. The other amazing thing is that it has many extensions. You want to go and search for tab 9 extensions, you will be able to get it. If you want to go and search for kite extension, you will be able to get it. If you want any extension to run Jupyter notebook file, here you will be able to get it. Everything is actually present, and still more and more extensions are getting added. So definitely this will be an added advantage to any of the developer. And selecting and installing an extension is very much easy. Just select it, enable it or install it, that's it, and then you'll be able to use this by using just a shortcut key. And this kind of extensions you'll be finding more and more. Now coming to the next reason, there is also an amazing debug functionality in Visual Studio Code 2, where you can actually keep a breakpoint and debug it in an amazing way. You can go and check out each and every variable with respect to the debugging, step into, step out, everything you will be able to do it in an amazing manner itself. Now this will definitely be my second reason, because the debugging functionality is also very important, and for a developer obviously it will be very important itself. Now if I go to the third reason, obviously maintaining the code structure is also very good in this. You'll be able to easily understand the code if you are maintaining a proper code structure in this. And definitely these are some of the reasons. Apart from that, if you are using some of the extensions like tab 9 or kite, all the code will automatically, all the references will be given to you with respect to understanding the code. Apart from that, by default, some of the extension will be like Pylance and all, which will be by default installed when you're installing the Python itself. So it also has that IntelliSense, and this IntelliSense is actually coming from the Pylance itself. So by default, whenever you are starting with respect to Python, if you want to create a Python project, first of all, you really need to install this extension. Now this is just not only suitable for Python guys, let it be JavaScript, let it be any kind of other code you want to write, everything is possible. React.js, AngularJS, everything, HTML, CSS, everything is possible. So working with a web application and web development, suppose if you're working with Django, it will be pretty much amazing itself. Installing the libraries and all also very much easy. You have all the options like over here, the output, debug and problems, everything is there. And you may be thinking, Krish, so what is so big in this? You also have other extensions in other IDEs also, you can install it over there. I know that, but again, I would love wherever I get an ease use of all this kind of extensions within my IDE itself. But one and the final thing that I would definitely like to talk about is about this GitHub Copilot. So I have actually got the access of GitHub Copilot, which is the last reason why I love about it. Definitely because of GitHub Copilot, I can definitely make my coding experience much more amazing, much more easier. So definitely I can just use it. The technique is just this much. See this? I'll just write a function saying that create a function for creating pipeline. You just write to in ML, in machine learning, right? If you write this kind of comment, automatically the code will be written for you. So you can just try it out and definitely have a look onto this and just create automatically with respect to, right now it is showing with respect to tab 9, but if I disable tab 9, GitHub Copilot will obviously work in an amazing way. I've created a lot of videos, so you just need to write down the comment and automatically the entire code will be written for you. So that is why GitHub Copilot is actually used. and right now I think the extension is only with Visual Studio Code. So this is another reason why I like about what I love about Visual Studio Code, and probably in my upcoming videos, any projects that I develop, I'll be doing that in Visual Studio Code. So I hope you like this smaller video. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel, press the bell notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.